Mom! Dad, look!
What is it?
A baby panda!
Wow, it's adorable.
Can we see the panda now?
Just 1 minute, sweetheart.
But it's waiting for me.
First the tickets, then the adventure.
3 tickets, please.
Peter, stay close.
I'll be right back.
Wait for me! You're so cute!
Almost done. Let's go find Peter.
Hello? Where did you go? Mom?
Peter?
Where is Peter?
He was right here.
Peter!
Please help us. Our son is missing.
He's only 8 years old. Stay calm. We'll find him.
Mom? Dad? I think I'm lost. I have to find them.
Officer Lisa, we have a missing child.
I'm on my way. Please, help us find Peter. We'll search every corner.
What was that? A lion? No, not that way. I have to keep going.
Hi there.
I can't find my mom and dad.
Don't worry. I'm here to help you.
Really? The panda! It's back!
Wait, Peter. Stay with me.
Okay.
Mr. Thomas?
I found a boy matching Peter's description.
You found him?
Is Peter okay? Stay calm. I think we found your son.
Peter! Mom!
There you are.
I'm so sorry.
We're just happy you're safe.
I'm really sorry.
We know you are.
What matters is that you're safe.
I won't walk away again.
We're proud that you told the truth.
It's the baby panda!
Let's go together.
That's a great idea.
This is even better. Everyone smile.
Ready?
Cheese!
Look, the panda. Perfect timing.
Bye, little panda.
And the best lesson too.
The best day ever. Did you have fun? Next time, we'll explore together.
Look, it's waving.
Wave goodbye.
Bye, little panda.
You remembered to stay with us.
Always. I'll never forget today. We won't either.
Ready for our next adventure?
Together!
Always together.
Bye, little panda. See you again.
Let's go home.
Best day ever.
Thanks for joining our adventure. We'll see you again soon.
Our next adventure is waiting.
Bye. See you next time.